Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a Google spreadsheet on your iPhone to manage your data. So first thing you have to do, make sure that you already installed the Google Sheets on your phone. So the application will be symbolized by this green screen, and after that you just need to click it to open it. When you're already in the home sections, you just need to go click this plus button to create the documents. When you want to create, make sure that you already prepared the title for the documents that you want to work to. For example, I would like to manage the data for the sales of my coffee shop. So let's do a sales report. Don't forget to enter the specific month and year. And after that, you just need to click create. Okay, working with Google Spreadsheet will be working with the cells. And what cells actually? The cells is combination between the columns and the rows here. So this, the square, the rectangle actives with the blue frames here called cell, which is the combination between column A and rows 1. We call it as cells A1. So you will work with this. So how to do a data management with the Google spreadsheet? For me, I would like to show you. So sometimes I will work with a table. So the first cells I would like to type in, let's say, a date, and then for the second I would like to say a product, and then the next is quantity, and the top of it I would like to type a sales product sales. And after that, you just need to add the name of the, you can adjusting the size of the column by click this A, and after that you just need to drag this into the left side to make it smaller, and in the right side to make it like longer. So the product, I would like to add several items. Okay, so I already have the product here, and you just need to add the quantity that you have according to the data from your shop. For example, in a day, okay, let's say it's the sales for 1 November. Okay, the quantity that sells in Americano on those days is like let's say like 25, latte is 36, cappuccino is 41, juice is 12, tea is kind of like 26, and mineral water is 26 too. And now we just need to knit these tables by wait a minute, drag all of the active mode, and after that you can see here this side, it is the frame for the cells. So if you want to every cells have a frame, just click this. So every cell already have a borders. You can also adjusting the positions. If you want the information stay in the middle, just click this one right there. But then I want this stay in the left side. And now if you want to merge this, and since this is one in one day, you just need to block it, and after that merge it. Make it stay in the middle by go click this button. Oh, I'm so sorry, this button, and after that go click in the middle. Now to separate between the titles and the informations, just need to block it and to add the color by click this and add the color. So that's the way how to use Google Sheet to manage your data. If you find that tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.